Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Daniel with Adams Campsite. So today I want to wish everyone out there a happy new year. So today I want to go ahead and share a product with you. Now this product is a gift that I'm providing for my son. However, I'm going to be putting it together and I wanted to have you join me on this unboxing. Now this gift is a 88 key digital Wade piano. So I'm going to go ahead and build it right behind me and I'm going to rearrange my cameras. So let's go ahead and get started. These are the tools. We got a drill, we got a box cutter, we got scissors, and for backup, we got a small little screwdriver. So first we got this, the bench. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Ooh, okay. Oh, look at that. Bench, white. Oh, there you go. And it has all the 4 legs in here. You know, little rack wrench. You got your nuts, and then you got your wrench. You got your, I guess you got your corners. There's already pre-made holes already for you, so it shouldn't be that hard. Let's see how hard it is to put this thing together. You got a bolt, you got a washer, and you got a lock ring. So, alright, and that's pretty much what you have for that set. The outer part of the leg is made of vinyl. I'm not sure if the inside is made of metal or what, but there you go. Now, there's an extra nut. I don't know where it's from. So, either they gave me an extra nut to just in case I lose one. I don't know. But anyway, it opens up. I got a little 3-inch cabinet or something where you can put little things in there. Now, the one thing I gotta make sure is I got cats. So I want to make sure I protect this, because they'll start trying to dig in. So that's one thing that I gotta make sure that, you know, we buy some type of covers. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started on the main item, which is the piano. Okay. And this looks like the other side. Alright. Got a power adapter. Instruction manual. We got a USB cord here. Alright. Amplifier connector. Then you got some screws here. Oh, and then they give you, screwdriver. Good. See the instructions. Alright, so it gives you instructions. It says it should be put together like this. It looks pretty simple. We'll see how simple it is. Alright. So this is the bottom of the piano where you're going to be stepping on these. I'm not sure what you call them, but regardless, that's what that is. The main body. So this is the main part of the piano. It's going to get raised up like this. Just like that. Alright. Well, anyway, this is the main body. This is the bottom part of the piano. I'm going to go ahead and set it up right here. This chair. So the main body's going to attach to these two. That's why they have these brackets. So that's what's going to be on top of this piano. I'm doing all this by myself, so it'll help you understand how. If you ever have to do it by yourself, there you know. Now you know what you gotta go through. All right. So what's good about these is they have these little things already. So on the main piano, all you do is set it on there and it'll hold it in order for you to be able to drill. Just so you know, there's some pre-made holes here that you can't see. They painted over them. That's where these screws are going to go. Alright, so you get your power adapter right here. Connect it here. You have this right here, this cord that you could actually connect, I guess, your computer to this. So you got your power terminal connection, you got your audio input and output interface, you got a MIDI input out interface, you got your dual headphone socket, pedal socket, and the USB transport interface. Pretty much that's what you have all right here. Now, as you can see, it's just turned on right now, and you got your power switch right there. You got a USB socket, your selector, MP3 play, and then all these options that you could mess with: volume, your numerical selection and such. And then you got all these little things up here. I'm not sure what they mean, but regardless, again, I'm not a big piano player, or I've never played a piano. All I know is to push this down and play. But my son, he kind of knows how to play the piano here and there. But at the end of the day, this is how it looks. Little chair. Cool. There we go. All right, guys. So, that was a crazy build, but Again, it's an 88 key weight digital piano, electrical upright piano with 3 pedal unit boards, LCD screen, multiple functional full size keyboard, and power adapter for beginners and adults. So this piano is running in Amazon for $329 at this moment. I'm not too sure exactly if that's how much it cost me when I bought it. I can't remember. I bought it a few months ago. But again, I just want to go ahead and share this piano with you, and just, you know, wish y'all a prosperous, happy new year. Thank you so much for joining me on this content. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this content, and I catch you on the flip side.